Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 4000 peak watt super quiet dual fuel portable inverter generator is an impressive piece of machinery that stands out in the crowded market of generators. One of its most notable features is its dual fuel capability, allowing you to operate it on either propane or gasoline. This flexibility makes it ideal for various situations, whether you're camping, tailgating, or in need of backup power during an outage. The generator produces a peak output of 4,000 watts, providing ample power for essential appliances like refrigerators and lights. With a rated output of 3,500 watts, it can easily handle multiple devices simultaneously, ensuring that you stay comfortable during unforeseen power interruptions. The inverter technology not only delivers clean energy but also ensures that sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones are protected from potential damage. One of the standout features of this generator is its super quiet operation. Operating at just 52 decibels, it's much quieter than traditional generators. This makes it perfect for camping trips where noise can detract from the experience or for use in residential areas, where you don't want to disturb your neighbors. The included Eco mode helps to conserve fuel by automatically adjusting the engine speed based on the load, which is a great addition for those looking to maximize efficiency. Portability is another strong suit of the Westinghouse generator. It comes equipped with a lightweight design and a set of sturdy wheels, making it easy to transport from one location to another. The integrated handle further enhances its mobility, allowing you to lift it with ease. Overall, the Westinghouse 4000 peak watt dual fuel generator offers a blend of power, efficiency, and portability. It's a reliable backup power source that doesn't compromise on performance or convenience, making it an excellent investment for anyone in need of a dependable generator.